Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Now choose Alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this red plus icon. Now set up an hour, and when you're ready, click on OK. Then you need to tap on Repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. After that, select OK to save your changes. Now you need to click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, click on Silence after 10 minutes, tap on the best option for you, and tap on Label. Now label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on OK. Then you need to select Default over here and tap on the best melody for you. I will go with that one. When you're ready, go back. If you wish to, you can always go into the same sound settings, but this time just add new over here. Click on those lines at the top left corner over here. Select one of those sources, like downloads. Tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back as well. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you can always do that by selecting Delete under Silence. In order to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!